Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by softening the sticker so removal is controlled. This preserves the Almirah finish. Heat the glue with a hair dryer or low heat gun for 30-60 seconds, keeping the nozzle moving so you don't scorch the surface. Once the adhesive is warm, lift an edge carefully with a plastic scraper or a 1/2 credit card. You want to pull slowly and steadily at a low angle. If you see finish lift, stop and reduce heat. Protecting the paint is the priority. After most sticker material is off, you'll tackle remaining adhesive. Apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol or a citrus-based solvent to a microfiber cloth and dab, don't soak, the area. Work in small sections and rub along the wood grain or laminate lines because that reduces visible abrasion. Once the glue softens, scrape gently with the plastic card and repeat solvent application if needed. When clean, make sure to wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove solvent residue and prevent finish dulling. You finish by restoring the surface and checking for problems. After cleaning, apply a light coat of furniture wax or paste polish and buff to match surrounding sheen. This hides minor variations. If stubborn adhesive remains, repeat the heat plus solvent routine, but always test first in a hidden spot. If finish is accidentally scored or decolorized, use a matching wood stain pen or fill with furniture touch-up marker. Then blend and seal with wax. This repairs visible damage quickly and keeps the Almirah looking uniform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.